Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to do very beautiful makeup. First, always begin with a clean, moisturized face. This creates the perfect canvas. Next, apply a thin layer of primer to ensure your makeup lasts for many hours. Then, choose a foundation that perfectly matches your skin tone, blending it evenly for a seamless finish. Finally, use a small amount of concealer to brighten under your eyes and cover any small blemishes. This foundational step is crucial for a radiant look. Now, let's focus on your eyes to add captivating definition and color. Start by gently filling in your eyebrows with a brow pencil or powder to frame your face beautifully. Next, apply an eyeshadow primer to ensure your colors stay vibrant and crease-free all day. Then, sweep a soft, neutral shade into your crease and a complementary shimmer onto your eyelids. Complete your eye look with a thin line of eyeliner and 2 generous coats of your favorite volumizing mascara. To sculpt and add radiance, begin by softly contouring just under your cheekbones, along your jawline, and lightly on your temples. This creates beautiful dimension. Next, sweep a lovely blush onto the apples of your cheeks, blending upwards towards your hairline for a fresh, healthy flush. Then, apply a touch of highlighter to the highest points of your face, such as your cheekbones, brow bones, and Cupid's bow. Remember to blend everything thoroughly for a smooth, natural appearance. For the perfect pout, first gently exfoliate and moisturize your lips to ensure they are smooth and soft. Next, carefully line your lips with a pencil that closely matches your chosen lipstick shade. This helps prevent feathering. Then, fill in your lips with your favorite lipstick or gloss, applying 1 or 2 layers for rich, beautiful color. Finally, to ensure your stunning makeup lasts for many hours, finish by misting your entire face with a high-quality setting spray.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.